formation. Cruise at east.
I was trying to figure out what the heck this was. I did not think it was a Ford. It's
Really?
a Ford what?
Taunus.
Taunus.
Taunus, yeah, it's made in Germany. It's a little bit wider now. We changed it 4-inch wider.
Okay, so that's not factory.
No, it's now it's fat lady, but
Got to fit the big tires in.
yeah, 275, and we put a small block Windsor in. It's 427 Windsor,
Sweet.
small block.
Still a Ford.
Yeah, that Ford runs with Ford's engines. I like that way. Twin 71.5mm turbos. But it's fun, Gar. It's heavy. It's all steel. It couldn't be true. Only the hood is fiberglass, and it's with me it's weight more than 3,000. It's start weight and small tire. But we figure out how to put it down. It's no problem.
What's the quickest with the 8-cylinder?
I've run with that. It's 850. But it's because the roll gauge it's 8.5, and I can't go faster. But we dyno the engine up to the 1,500 horsepower. Right now we're running 1,000, maybe a little bit more. It's a lot of space. I can turn it up, but what's the roll gauge? It's the limit here. Where, yeah.
Is this your first time racing the car in the States?
Yeah.
So you had to get certified today, huh?
Yeah.
I saw you out there hot lapping.
Oh my God, it was crazy. It's back again. We cool it down again.
And then it rains.
Rain. 4 hours with 4 hours, 6 runs.
Wow.
It was.
You did it.
Yeah, but we did it. It's done, and tomorrow we can start with Drag Week.
So what made you guys decide you wanted to come torture yourself on Drag Week?
It's good to be true. I was here 2015 and 16, was spectator, and then starts thinking about that because this week it's crazy.
Yeah.
Those cars, those people, everything. It's so different, and it's good. It's
Can
good.
you
I
drive
like that.
this on the street?
Excuse me.
Can you drive this on the street back home?
No. In Estonia, it's not street legal.
Yeah.
America is a good place.
What class are you running in?
Here I'm running unlimited because, as I said, we made the body wider 4-inch and it's not fit any other class.
Yep.
Yeah, but I don't care.
It'll be fun.
I think so.
How many miles do you have on the car so far, like driving around?
Not much.
Not much?
Not much. In Estonia, years ago, I was running a little bit, but not much with that now. Yeah, it's no matter that.
And nobody has Ford motors here. They all have Chevy engines in their Mustangs. So.
I know a couple of have Ford, but yeah. But still, I like that. Let it be. If it's Ford, let it Ford. It's Chevy, let it Chevy. I like that way. It's
cool.
good.
Well, have fun this week.
Thank you.
Hopefully it's just enough torture to get the full taste of Drag Week.
I hope so.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
So it begins.
Yep. Start.
How's she driving?
No, it's not that bad. I was thinking it's worse, but when we have lots of stuff in car, the trailer is heavy.
Oh yeah.
But let's see today, later, how it works. If we have to go to the street, we have to take some gasoline. Change. Later we'll take E85 out, that gasoline in.
Well, have fun today, guys.
Thank you.
Putting your bra on?
Done, we're done. We start moving it it's 250 miles to go. It's
Yeah.
a long run. I put more the water methanol mix in the engine, and it goes so rich. That's why but it's 8.7. Don't care.
Yeah.
It's still okay. I can go 8.5. Then I change a little bit, and tomorrow. Yeah, but we try to put it all together as time's ticking.
Well, it's a good start for the Estonians.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully we'll see you on the
we're
road.
happy.
Hopefully we'll see you at the hotel, not on the road.
Don't say that.
Was that an 8.8?
8.8, yeah, but my number 8 cylinder injector goes bad. It's put so much fuel in, it's just tight 8 cylinder.
Oh.
Yeah, we have to check some injectors workshop where we can fix the number 8 or clean it.
Oh.
I don't know, is there anyone here? Yeah.
That's still pretty good for running on 7. A whole bunch of fuel dumping in it.
Yeah, it just kills the number 8 cylinder, but we put the more boost now, and it's compared a little bit that, but it should be nice 8.6 at least, but no matter, it's no problem. I have to go shower and take the paper
All right.
now.
Better get on the road.
Thank you.
Good luck. Hey, made it to the 3rd day.
Yeah, we're here.
Doing good. How was the drive?
Yeah, it was short run. It's not that bad. With the 85, it was way easier now, and yeah, we were good.
You found your fuel.
If good to be true, it was not fuel injector. It was exhaust temperature sensor.
Oh,
yeah. Made playing with us a little bit.
What number are you looking for today? What do you want to run?
850, like always. We put now way more power in the start. Yesterday, it was so soft.
Yeah. That was a nice track.
You converted it so tight. We have to put way more power in the start.
Oh yeah.
Let's try now.
Cool. Good luck.
Thank you.
Off an 860 at 164.
Any normal boost here. It's we're so much up to the mountains.
What's the elevation back home?
It's like almost in the sea level. Yeah, it's way different.
Yeah.
The first run I didn't understand. I'm running 18 psi and I get only 14. I said, what? And I just put now more in the start. I can't put in the end more. It's
Was it 8.7?
Yeah, 8.7, 160.
Not terrible.
No, it's not terrible, but it's not good. But no matter, the car is okay now, and the time we can do some test now at Atlanta. We changed the map now. We can put way higher boost, and if the last run is done after that, not before.
Yep. Then turn it up. Just long enough to complete drag week.
Yeah.
I saw you get pushed back. What happened?
Good to be true. 2 last runs, we try to boost it up to the 2-bar boost, and the track is not take it.
Oh no.
And the last hit was it goes to the cut, and it was hard cut. It just, and as looks to me, we start the engine there, it's like valves noise or something. Click, 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 click. I just shut it off and let them turn back.
Yeah, better not to drive it now.
Yeah, but we get all time what we need. We run yesterday 8.75.
Nice.
No, we're good. We're good. But we made it.
Hell yeah.
It's
you did
done.
it first year in the car and you made it.
Yeah, and it was track car. We never tested in the street. We just made it a little bit more street friendly. Yeah, but
You must have done your homework.
oh yeah, but it goes unbelievable easy. If good to be true, it was rough this whole temperature and everything
Yeah.
like that. But still, I can't believe it's already Friday.
What was your favorite part of Drag Week?
I think the mountains, the last trip here, the up and
Oh, yeah.
down. The down was hard.
Oh, yes.
It's pushed me hard, and I have
Yeah,
to.
you got a heavy trailer.
Yeah, it's very heavy, and I have to stop 3 times because the brakes are overheated. And but the weather was good, the people they're good, everything is good. I want to say everybody big thanks who support us. The internet is everywhere. It's so much information comes in, and I just can't imagine. It's so big for me. Of course,
yeah.
thanks all my sponsors from Estonia everywhere, companies, US Parts and the others who big ones.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We love seeing people come over from other countries.
Yeah, it's hard and it's expensive, but money comes, money goes, like they said. And it's not that rough combo, as I said. It's only 16, 17 PSI boost, and what runs at 5 and 6. It's the tricky was just sea level. If you run it in very high, you don't get that much boost, and you have to figure out what to do, and
Yep.
intake temperature and blah 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 blah. Like that always, like everybody. But we made it. Car is okay. We are okay.
We'll see you next year, I'm sure.
Yeah, see you.
Very impressive first year. You guys kicked ass.
Thank you guys, everybody who support us. Thank you.
Congratulations.
See you.